Hi, it's Miss Kelly. I'm showing you how to use some of the tools in the Chrome Music Lab, a free place to make music online. I already made one about rhythm and another one about Melody Maker. Now I'm going to show you Song Maker. There's a lot to do in Song Maker. You can make not only a melody where you could only, in Melody Maker, you could only have one sound at a time. In Song Maker, you can have lots of sounds all at the same time. Below on this bottom part, that's percussion. And then up here is where you could put your pitches, your sounds that go up and down in music. So just click and then you can actually on here do more than one at a time if you wanted to. You know, you could stack them up and make some chords. If you mess up and you don't want it, you just again. And okay, anyway, I'm going to try to go kind of quickly because I don't want to make my video super long because I would like you to get to where you can start doing it instead of just hearing me over and over. So I put some sounds up there. I'm going to put some rhythms. Got my bass drum. And some cymbals. As you can see, there's some lines that kind of, you can see it's groups of two right here. This is the downbeat, that's the upbeat. So you could play your rhythms like I've got ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. So if both of those are filled up, you can have two sounds on that beat. And neither one, you're gonna have a rest, okay? And only one, you're gonna just play like right on the beat. Let's see what this sounds like so far. It's short, but I like it. Now you can change the instrument sounds by clicking around down here. Okay, and you can change the tempo, which is the speed of the beat, by sliding slower or faster. Let's hear what it sounds like fast. I don't know, that might be a little fast for me. Let's see what it sounds like very slow. I don't know if I want it that slow, probably somewhere in the middle. Anyway, you can decide when it's your song. You can decide the different instruments that you're going to have. You can decide where to put your sounds and all like that. The microphone, if you click that, it's going to let you sing into here. It's not really going to record your voice, but it's going to listen to your voice and it's going to go ahead and put the sounds that you're making automatically in there. And settings, you can change how many bars, that's a little section of your music. How many beats do you want in each little section or bar? Scale gives you different choice of notes. I'd probably just leave it on major for now. Where do you want it to start? How high and low do you want to be able to go? And then split beats into two is the default. So that's your ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. If you want to do some of the more complicated rhythms like the ticka ticka that we sometimes learn, you can split your beats into more than two, but you know, and then save it by clicking the check mark. So you might not want to mess with that too much. Whenever you like your song and it's sounding good, click save. And then it's going to save your song online and it has a link. If you could copy the link and put it in Seesaw, you could send me your song, which would be awesome. I'd love to hear. Okay, bye everyone.